Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Chromebook 10e, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we have to switch the mode. So let's tap on the video as the settings are assigned to a specific mode, and then enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. Hello. Right here we've got the video resolution, and as you can see we've got the options only for the back camera. We've got two options, the full HD which is currently applied and HD. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see it is currently marked, which means that your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.